What if that free jewelry offer isn't actually free at all? Graceful Pure Jewelry has been attracting attention with claims of a retirement warehouse clearout, saying it has been in business for more than 30 years and is giving away beautiful jewelry pieces for free, with customers only paying shipping costs. At first glance, the offer sounds incredible, but after examining the available information, several concerns begin to appear. One of the biggest issues is the emotional retirement story being used as a marketing tool. Yet there is very little independent evidence to support the company's long history. In fact, reports suggest that the website's domain was registered relatively recently, which raises questions about the claim of operating for decades. Another concern involves the branding and promotional content. As some of the owner images and product photos appear to show signs commonly associated with AI-generated content rather than authentic business photography. The free jewelry model itself also deserves closer attention because while the products are advertised as free, customers may end up paying shipping fees that are significantly higher than the actual value of the items being received. There are also indications that some of the jewelry may be inexpensive imported products marketed as premium or luxury pieces. Customer feedback online presents a mixed picture, with some buyers expressing disappointment regarding product quality, shipping times, customer service responsiveness, and refund experiences. Additional concerns include reviews that appear overly promotional, limited company transparency, a lack of clear business information, and complaints from customers who felt misled by the advertising. None of these points automatically prove that Graceful Pure Jewelry is a scam, but they do suggest that shoppers should be cautious and carefully research the company before making a purchase. If you are considering ordering from Graceful Pure Jewelry, take the time to read independent reviews, understand the shipping costs, and evaluate whether the offer truly provides the value it claims. As always, informed buyers are less likely to be surprised after checkout.